Hello, and welcome to today's listening practice. This story is called A Trip to the Grocery Store. Listen carefully, repeat when you can, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. It's Friday morning. I open my fridge and see that it's almost empty. I need to buy food for the weekend. I take a small notebook and make a shopping list. I write milk, bread, eggs, apples, rice, and chicken. I also add chocolate because it's my favorite. I put the notebook in my bag and get ready to leave. The grocery store is about 10 minutes away on foot. The sun is bright and the street is busy. People are walking, some are carrying shopping bags. When I arrive, I take a shopping cart. The store is large and clean. There are colorful fruits and vegetables at the entrance. I pick red apples, fresh tomatoes, and a bunch of bananas. In the bread section, I see my friend Lily. She is holding a bag of flour. Hi, are you shopping too? I ask. She smiles and says, Yes, I'm baking a cake today. We talk for a few minutes about our weekend plans. She tells me she will visit her grandmother. I tell her I'm cooking a chicken and rice dinner. We say goodbye and continue shopping. I go to the checkout counter. The cashier greets me with a smile and says, Did you find everything you needed? I answer, Yes, thank you. I pay for my groceries, pack them in reusable bags, and head outside. My bags are a little heavy, but I don't mind. The smell of fresh bread from the bakery nearby. When I get home, I put all the food in the fridge and cupboards. I wash the apples and eat one right away. It's sweet and juicy. I feel ready for the weekend. Shopping is simple, but it's part of my routine, and it makes me feel organized. That was the story A Trip to the Grocery Store. Now, let's review vocabulary and practice phrases. Useful vocabulary. Notebook, a small book for writing notes. Shopping cart, a basket on wheels for carrying groceries. Bunch, a group of similar items held together. Checkout, the place where you pay for your items. Reusable bags, bags you can use many times instead of throwing away. Practice phrases. I need to buy food for the weekend. Did you find everything you needed? Yes, thank you. See you next time. It makes me feel organized. Comprehension questions. 1. What day is it in the story? 2. What is the first thing on the shopping list? 3. Who does the narrator meet in the bread section? 4. What is Lily baking? 5. What does the narrator eat at the end? Speaking practice activity. Speak for 1 minute about one of these. Describe your last trip to a grocery store. Talk about your favorite food to buy. Explain how you make a shopping list.